are going to love the 2020 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: LED headlights, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panoramic sunroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, fog lights, power windows, security system, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.